Hey there. If you're at B1 level, you've got the basics down. But let's be honest, small grammar mistakes can make you sound less confident than you actually are. Today, we're fixing 5 grammar issues that native speakers definitely notice. Stick around if you want to sound more natural and polished. This one trips up so many intermediate learners. People say, I have gone to Paris last year. But that's wrong. Here's the rule. Use present perfect for recent events without specific time. Like, I have been to Paris. Use simple past when you mention a specific time. Like, I went to Paris last year. The key? If you say when, use past tense. No when. Present perfect works. Watch this. I woke up and I had breakfast and I went to work and I attended meetings all day. Ugh, right? This sounds choppy and immature. Instead, use subordinate clauses and variety. Try, after waking up and having breakfast, I went to work where I attended meetings all day. See how much smoother that flows. Mix simple sentences with complex ones. Your writing becomes more sophisticated instantly. English articles confuse everyone. Here's your cheat sheet. Use a or an for something you mention the first time. I saw a cat. Use the when you talk about it again. The cat was orange. Use the for unique things. The sun, the internet, the government. No article for plurals or uncountable nouns. Cats are animals. Not the cats are animals unless you mean specific cats we both know about. Practice this constantly because native speakers hear article mistakes everywhere. Many B1 learners forget to invert the verb and subject in questions. You might say, what you did yesterday, but native speakers say, what did you do yesterday? The pattern is question word, auxiliary verb, then subject. How have you been? Where does she work? Why can't they come? It feels weird at first, but this inversion is critical in English. Practice makes it automatic. Here's where B1 learners often slip up. Second conditional. If I were you, I would apply for that job. Not if I was you. Always use were after if in hypotheticals. Third conditional for past situations. If I had studied harder, I would have passed. Present unreal. If she spoke French, she could work in Paris. These patterns matter because they show you understand probability and hypothetical thinking. Getting them right makes you sound educated.